All right, number 5. This one's kind of tricky, um, but it says the area of the largest square is how many square inches greater than the smaller square. So basically, we want to how much greater is the larger one. So we have to do larger minus the smaller. Sorry for the terrible handwriting there. Um, okay, and so the smaller square, I believe, is x inches long, so it's just going to be x times x or x squared. So the area of the smaller is just x squared. All right. The larger square is c inches longer than the side of the smaller square. The area of the larger square is how many? Okay, so to find the area of the larger, then it's each side is c longer than the smaller square. So this whole side is x plus c. So to do the area of the larger, we have to do x plus c, that's one side, times the other side, because it's a square, is the same, x plus c. Okay, you can kind of see that visually there. That side's x plus c. Okay, now we just got to FOIL these. So it'd be x squared plus x times c plus x times c plus c squared. All right, and so that's the area of the larger, and I could combine these in the middle. So it'd be x squared plus 2x times c plus c squared. And then we have to minus off the smaller because you want to know how many inches more is the larger than the smaller. So minus off the smaller, so that'll just cancel out these x squared. So we end up with 2x times c plus c squared. Kind of a goofy one, but hopefully not too bad. Just remember to FOIL there.